Good afternoon. My name is Danielle Bäck, and I am the president of the ASU Coalition for Human Rights, a coalition of over 13 different human rights organizations working together to support human rights in Arizona and specifically at Arizona State University. The Coalition for Human Rights has been pushing for socially responsible investing at Arizona State University. We are concerned that Arizona State University and other universities in Arizona have ties to companies that are complicit in human rights abuses, including but not limited to the genocide in Sudan, the conflict in the Congo, the Israeli occupation of Palestine, and sweatshops globally. Arizona State University has no such committee to acknowledge issues of human rights and the relationship between investments and human rights abuses. Unlike the University of Arizona, which has the University Committee for Monitoring Labor and Human Rights Issues, ASU has refused to implement policies of socially responsible investing that include the student and faculty voice in a committee structure. We also feel that Arizona State University and other universities in Arizona lack transparency. Specifically at Arizona State University, STAND, the Student Anti-Genocide Network, has been pushing since 2006 to see if Arizona State University is invested in companies that are complicit with the genocide in Sudan. Since 2006, we as students have been pushing to determine if ASU is upholding standards of human rights and international law through its investments, and we have received no such answer. Because of this lack of transparency, we are disappointed with the status quo. In fact, we look back upon times where Arizona universities and ABOR stood up for human rights through investing, specifically during the South African apartheid, where Arizona universities joined together to divest from apartheid and support human rights on a global level. As a coalition for human rights, standing here representing 13 human rights organizations and many students who are concerned with human rights in Arizona, we ask that ABOR unify standards of socially responsible investing at all 3 universities in state. We ask that ABOR create divestment screens specific to human rights abuses in Sudan, the Congo, the Israeli occupation of Palestine, and sweatshops, and that universities take steps to divest from human rights violations. We ask that ABOR use its power to influence ASU to establish an advisory committee for socially responsible investing that includes the student voice and the faculty voice and improves transparency at ASU. Finally, we ask that ABOR restore its former commitments to socially responsible investing that it displayed during the South African apartheid and listen to the student voice and support human rights in the state of Arizona. Thank you.